everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing food out of candy part 2. I guess I kind of did a part 2 because I did one with Alicia, did like a challenge together, but this is like an official part 2. I guess we could call it part 3. Alright, if we're getting technical, part 3. This video is sponsored by NBC's new show called Rise. I got to watch the pilot last night and it is actually so good. It's literally like the combination of all my favorite things. I love Josh Radnor, who plays the main star. It's produced by the makers of Hamilton, and that's literally my favorite show. Lin-Manuel, if you're watching this, I love you. The show is basically about this English teacher who takes over the school's theater program. He really has this passion to bring theater back into the school. There's so much more to a job than just a paycheck. It shows the difference between passion and work, which like is something that's really big in my life. I am so lucky to have a job that I'm so passionate about and to be able to make food out of slime, out of candy videos for you guys, and that you watch it and you enjoy it. And honestly, not everyone has believed in me. When I decided to leave college, I had a lot of people thinking that I was making the worst decision of my life. This YouTube thing's not gonna last. What are you doing with your life? Do you have a plan? There was one of my family members, my Aunt Deborah, who also is an entrepreneur, who really helped me through a lot of the tough times. Like, Matt, you go from schedules and people telling you what to do to all of a sudden like you're on your own and you're in the real world and you're an adult and you have a business. She was really supportive through the whole thing, and I'm so thankful for that. Having mentors and having people tell you to trust that feeling is just so helpful. Basically, what I'm trying to say is that you have to go for your dreams, and this show really embodies that. The first episode airs on March 13th at 10/9 Central on NBC. I'll be watching. We can be tweeting each other. For today's 10-second challenge, give this video a like, turn my notifications on, press subscribe if you're not already, and comment below the name of your favorite teacher and the time it takes me to solve this math problem. I did it. Wow, I'm so smart. Oh my god. You'll need a large muffin, Rice Krispie treats, chocolate, green sour strips, peach O's, little yellow taffies, red licorice, jam, and frosting. Yeah, buddy. Alright, so first you're going to take your Rice Krispies treats, and you're going to need a lot of them, so get prepared, people. You can take as many as you want, your burger can be as big as you want, and you want to smush it together and just basically form your own little patty. Okay, now we need to make this brown, so I'm taking some Hershey's chocolate and just melting it in a bowl. My chocolate got burnt a little, but I think the burnt pieces added a nice texture. Now we want to take our patty and evenly coat it with a layer of chocolate. Okay, while that is cooling, we are going to make some fries. I just took these yellow Twizzlers and sliced them up, and I made the sizes different because every fry is unique and beautiful in their own way. Okay, it's bun time. This bun actually looks so realistic. Okay, now that we have the base of the burger, time for the insides. First, I took some yellow taffy and popped that in the microwave for like 10 seconds. And now it's very melty and slimy. Does this remind you guys of anything? Alright, so now I have my slice of cheese. And now we are going to make our mustard. So I just took some white frosting and popped that in the microwave. Then I added some yellow food coloring and just mix it all together. This is really feeling like a slime video. Now we are ready to really create this burger. So you gotta start by putting your bottom bun on. Then there's our patty. I added the cheese. This is starting to look so realistic, it's freaking me out. So I thought these green sour strips would be perfect as lettuce. I thought that these peach O's would make the perfect onions. And then I also found these little red licorice twists, which look exactly like tomatoes. And now we're adding the condiments. So first I'm putting my ketchup, which is actually strawberry jam, but it looks perfect. And now we're adding our mustard. This looks so good. Time to top it off with the bun, and your burger is complete. It's just me and you. some Rice Krispie treats, moldable caramels, some butterscotch topping, green taffy, Starburst minis, and sprinkles. Woo! Alright, first you're going to take your Rice Krispies treats and again mold them into a little shape. We're doing some fried rice here. Okay, now we're going to take our green taffy and mold this into tiny little peas. Now we're going to take our Starburst minis and just take the yellow pieces and make them into little pieces of egg. And then we're taking our orange Starburst and cutting them into tiny little carrots. Now it's time to put it all together. This is my favorite part. So you're just going to add all the little vegetables in and make it look like fried rice. Now time for our chicken. It's so weird to talk about caramels like they're chicken. But anyway, you're just going to mold these into, multiple in one and then microwave it so they're able to mold easier. And then you're just going to make them look like your best chicken ever. I mean, I don't know. This looks like those little, Kung Pao chicken, I guess. I don't really know. I tried my best. Now we are adding our caramel butterscotch drizzle because you gotta have the sauce. And that is the finished dish. Wow, I can barely tell the difference. This is crazy, people. Crazy. Okay, again, we're starting with some Rice Krispies treats. I know you guys are sick of these, but they make a great base for a lot of foods. Haribo berries, some little chocolate round candy. I found these little gummy bananas from It's Sugar, and I'll be using some blue gumballs as our blueberries, and some white chocolate, and last but not least, some caramel sundae syrup. Okay, this looks exactly like oatmeal. That's freaky. Now I'm taking my gummy bananas and slicing them into little banana slices. You obviously don't need to use an actual gummy banana. You could probably just find a yellow gummy, but it looks cute. Now my favorite part, time to put it all together. So I'm going to add my banana slices, and then we're going to add our little berries. I know this is kind of cheating because they look like berries, but gotta do what you gotta do. Now I'm taking the Whoppers, and they kind of look like little round hazelnuts, and then adding my blueberries, adding some shaved white chocolate as coconut. And there you go. What a beautiful, healthy breakfast. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to give it a like and comment below and let me know what other foods I should do. Also, make sure to check out Rise on NBC. I will put all the information below. And I'm currently in Thailand right now. I know it doesn't look like it because I'm actually in LA right now, but future Chloe, when she posts this video, is in Thailand. If you guys want to see all my stuff from Thailand, I'm basically doing Thailand vlogs. They're all gonna be on my vlog channel. I will link it below. This is so weird. I'm literally talking about my future self. This hasn't happened yet, but girl, you're in Thailand. I know you're having a great time. Follow me on Instagram to see all my travel pictures and Instagram stories. And yeah, I will see you guys next time. Love you. Bye.